riding along in my automobile, my baby beside me at the wheel. I stole a kiss at the turn of the mile, my curiosity's running wild, cruising and playing the radio, with no particular place to go. Riding along in my automobile, I was anxious to tell her the way that I feel. I told her softly and sincere. She leaned and whispered in my ear, cuddling more and driving slow, with no particular place to go. All right. No particular place to go. We parked our way on Kokomo. The night was young and the moon was gold. We both decided to take a stroll. Can you imagine the way that I felt? I couldn't unfasten a safety belt. Riding along in my calaboose, still trying to get her belt loose. All the way home I held a grudge. That safety belt, it would not budge. Cruising and playing the radio, with no particular place to go. All right.